My training at WATC, it helped me understand the basics of electricity, and my solid state class helped out a lot too. I use that a ton where I'm working at. It helped me get that foundation down, and it helped me clear out most of my college, at least for my associates. It helped me get a year done of college while I was in high school, which is very useful, and it was fully paid for, and I didn't have to waste any money. But WATC helped me figure out what I wanted to do with my life, honestly, and it helped out a lot for what I was planning to do with my life. I didn't know what I was exactly going to go into, but I had a feeling I wanted to work with my hands. My big dream is to be well off and have a decent amount of money, not too much, because I think material things aren't everything. I think this career path will help me figure out what I'm doing with my life and help me achieve my goal that I have for myself. I'm excited about this because it's a good experience, it's a good opportunity for me. I can learn a lot, and I'm getting the hands-on experience that I need for my degree, because honestly, in my opinion, having a degree without any experience, it's not going to get you anywhere, in my opinion. I never thought I'd ever do this in my life. I didn't think I would ever do a hands-on job like this, but it's up my alley, and I have a deep passion for it. My name is Daejon. This is my manufacturing story.